You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. There are going to be different ways of pronouncing it depending on the language, the origin, the country, the accent. Now in English it is often said as Fabian, Fabian, although sometimes also as Fabian, Fabian. Now in more Germanic speaking countries it is also said as Fabian, Fabian. Depends, different pronunciations. In English, Fabian or Fabian. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.